The conjuring tales of a family who recently moved into a new house. In just that without them knowing there is something on in their new home. Ed, Patrick Wilson, and Lauren Ward, Vera Farmiga, are a husband and wife who worked as demonologists in 1960 and 1970. The Warrens and the Werkelt were well-known demonologists. They have handled several cases of possession or interface with evil entity, including the famous Amityville horror case. The story raised in this film is a case explained by the parent family, who experienced disturbance in their new home in Rhode Island. The story raised in this film is the experience of the Warrens, which he said was so malevolent that it was only recent before. Caroline, Lily Taylor, and Roger Perrin, Rob Livingstone, recently moved into their dream country home in Rhode Island with their five daughters, namely Andrea, Nancy, Christine, Cindy, and April. The house that got from the Bay Auction is starting to show its horror, starting from the discovery of the basement that was apparently hidden by the previous owner, the death of their pet dog, the stopping of horrors, and 307 the appearance of other imaginary friends named Rory and so on. Slowly but surely the parent family fled triad. The direction that was initially insignificant turned into something rare. This terrified the parent family and finally asked the Warrens for help. As a horror film, in my opinion, there are very few plots in this film, but in my opinion, after proving with the original story, there are a lot of exaggerated portraits and scenes, but that's common in terms of pure film. This film is very interesting because the horror genre film is based on a true story, so that it makes the audience curious about the story that happened at the time. The scenes in this film are also cringe-worthy of being watched by all ages. Even though there are certain parts that make the audience start. This film also looks thinner and more dramatic in terms both editing and sound feeling so that the audience can be carried away at the time of the incident. What we learn from this film is that our life is closer to our religion. Dare to fight fear and we must believe that humans are the most perfect creatures. Thank you.